And this is from Telangana. It's an ugly war of words that has broken out between the BRS and the Congress party. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, during a speech, had said that if somebody boasts about their stature, they will end up on a stretcher. If they continue this way, they will eventually reach the mortuary. Well, he did not mention the name of KCR, but many say that the comment was being seen as a veiled attack on the former Chief Minister. Now, reacting strongly to this comment, KTR has shared a video of Revanth Reddy's remarks on social media and called it a breach of all limits of decency. KTR has even gone on to say that this mad dog has crossed every boundary of civility. My colleague Uma Sudhir is also now joining us on the broadcast here. Not just Revanth Reddy, but KTR also, Uma. Even though he claims that Revanth Reddy has breached all limits of decency, he's also gone a step ahead and called the Chief Minister a mad dog.
Irony is that this comes just a day after the Telangana police in fact arrested two women journalists for allegedly posting or rather amplifying comments on social media of an unidentified man who had in fact abused and made derogatory comments about the Chief Minister. So Chief Minister Revanth Reddy was speaking at a junior lecturers induction event at Ravindra Bharati, where he spoke about financial cancer, he said, which the previous government had spread, and said that out of the 18,500 crore rupees that the state government gets every month, 6,500 crore rupees just goes in repayment of loans and interest for it, and therefore he called it a financial cancer that the BRS government and KCR government had given. And in the same speech, he made a reference saying that if people think that they have stature and behave as though they have stature, they have been sent away on a stretcher by the people, and that they could in no time end up in a mortuary. And subsequently KTR has reacted saying that Chief Minister is what he calls it, Chief Minister, and says that it sounds like a mad dog and that he needs to be taken to a mental health hospital by his family members and could even bite. So this is of course a low in politics of people calling each other names at a time when the government is saying that derogatory comments on social media is not allowed. And I must say that this exchange of words is nothing new between the BRS and the Congress, which have been very sharp against each other at public fora as well as on social media. But I must also point out that while Revanth Reddy seems to be targeting the KCR family, he has also wished Kavita, who is an MLC and KCR's daughter, a very happy birthday, and said that in her public service, he wishes her well, good health and so on and so forth. Back to you.